RAM has officially taken the wraps off its all-new 7.2-liter Cummins Turbo Diesel engine for the 2026 Ram 3500, marking one of the biggest updates in the brand's heavy-duty lineup in more than a decade. After years of incremental improvements to the proven 6.7-liter Cummins, Ram and Cummins are now introducing a fully re-engineered power plant built for next-generation towing capability, emissions compliance, and long-term reliability, a new era of heavy-duty power. The 7.2-liter Cummins Diesel represents more than just a displacement bump. It's a complete redesign from the ground up. Cummins engineers confirm that this engine isn't a modified 6.7L block. It's an all-new architecture built to deliver higher torque, improved durability, and reduced emissions, while still maintaining the diesel reliability the brand is known for. Ram has long positioned the 3500 as the workhorse of its lineup, targeting professional haulers, construction fleets, and recreational users with large trailers or fifth-wheel campers. With the new 7.2-liter engine, the company is doubling down on torque leadership and confidence under load. A direct challenge to Ford's Power Stroke and GM's Duramax diesels. Power and torque, pushing the limits. While official output figures are still being finalized, early data from internal testing suggests the 7.2-liter Cummins could produce up to 560 horsepower and more than 1,400 pound-feet of torque in its high-output configuration. That would make it the most powerful diesel engine ever fitted to a Ram HD pickup, surpassing the current 6.7-liter HO Cummins that delivers 420 horsepower and 1,075 pound-feet of torque. Engineers at Cummins hint that torque delivery will come earlier in the rev range, with broader torque curves thanks to a new variable geometry turbocharger and upgraded high-pressure fuel injection system. This allows smoother throttle response and more consistent pulling power, especially when towing near capacity. According to powertrain analyst Greg Thompson, the 7.2-liter Cummins brings a new philosophy to diesel truck design. It's not just about brute force anymore, it's about how seamlessly that power can be applied in real-world situations without stressing the components. Redesigned block and materials. One of the biggest criticisms of older Cummins engines has been weight and NVH, noise, vibration, harshness. To address this, the new 7.2-liter uses a compacted graphite iron (CGI) block, which is both lighter and stronger than traditional cast iron. This material has been used successfully in modern diesel engines to improve rigidity while reducing resonance and vibration. Cummins also integrated forged steel connecting rods, redesigned pistons with graphite-coated skirts, and a low-friction camshaft assembly to improve efficiency and longevity. Engineers estimate a 15% improvement in internal friction losses, which not only enhances fuel economy, but also extends service intervals. Cooling, lubrication, and reliability upgrades. Heat management has always been a critical concern for heavy-duty diesels. The 7.2 Cummins employs a dual-flow cooling system with electronically controlled thermostats, allowing better temperature regulation during heavy towing. The oil filtration and cooling circuit have also been updated to handle higher thermal loads, reducing the risk of oil breakdown and extending oil change intervals up to 15,000 miles. Perhaps most importantly for longtime Ram owners, Cummins claims to have eliminated the block cracking and valve seat issues that plagued earlier versions of the 6.7-liter engine under high stress. Testing indicates the new engine can withstand over 1,000 hours of continuous high-load operation without major wear, a key factor for commercial users. Transmission and drivetrain pairing. To harness all that torque, Ram is pairing the 7.2-liter Cummins exclusively with an updated 10-speed automatic transmission co-developed with Aisin. This gearbox replaces the outgoing 6-speed unit, offering closer ratios for better acceleration and smoother towing performance. The new transmission features reinforced clutch packs, improved cooling, and adaptive learning software that adjusts shift logic based on driving style and load. This makes it one of the most intelligent heavy-duty transmissions on the market. Power is routed through a strengthened transfer case and rear differential setup, designed to handle torque levels approaching medium-duty truck territory. Ram also confirmed improvements in driveshaft design to minimize vibration under full torque load. Towing and payload potential. With the increase in power and structural rigidity, towing capability for the 2026 Ram 3500 is expected to exceed 45,000 pounds for gooseneck trailers and nearly 38,000 pounds for fifth-wheel configurations. That would firmly position it above current segment leaders and further solidify Ram's dominance among serious haulers. Payload capacity is also expected to climb slightly thanks to chassis reinforcement and upgraded rear springs. Ram's engineering team emphasized that these improvements don't come at the cost of ride comfort, something the brand's air suspension systems continue to excel at. Emissions, DEF, and fuel efficiency. Perhaps the most surprising part of the 7.2L Cummins story is its simplified emission system. Cummins developed a next-generation SCR, selective catalytic reduction, and DEF injection system designed to operate more efficiently and require less maintenance. The company claims the new system virtually eliminates DEF crystallization and reduces DEF consumption by up to 30%. Diesel exhaust fluid has long been a pain point for truck owners, and this improvement could be one of the most appreciated upgrades in real-world use. Fuel economy is another area of progress. Despite the increased displacement, the new engine is estimated to achieve up to 10% better fuel efficiency under highway towing conditions. This is thanks to its optimized combustion process and improved turbocharger efficiency. Expert insights. What this means for Ram owners. Diesel engine specialist Mike Delaney, who has over 25 years of experience in heavy-duty powertrain testing, believes this engine could reset the reliability conversation for Ram trucks. Cummins and Ram clearly listen to their customers, Delaney said. After the lifter, EGR, and DEF-related complaints of the past few years, they've taken a clean-sheet approach. The 7.2 liters is built for the next 20 years of diesel work. Truck reviewer Dan Spencer from Diesel Nation adds, "This move puts Ram back in the innovation driver's seat. Ford has been dominating the high-output game, but Cummins' proven engineering and Ram's attention to comfort make this a perfect storm for 2026. Competition and market impact. The heavy-duty pickup segment is fiercely competitive, with Ford's 6.7L Power Stroke and GM's 6.6L Duramax setting the bar high in recent years. But Ram's partnership with Cummins has always carried weight among loyalists who prioritize simplicity, longevity, and raw torque delivery. This 7.2L announcement comes at a time when emissions regulations are tightening and automakers are investing heavily in hybrid and electric truck technology. Ram, however, appears to be doubling down on diesel for its heavy-duty lineup, signaling that internal combustion isn't going anywhere for serious work applications. Final thoughts. The all-new 7.2L Cummins Diesel for the 2026 Ram 3500 is more than an engine update. It's a bold statement that Ram intends to remain a leader in the heavy-duty truck segment. With improved torque, enhanced reliability, and smarter emissions management, the new Cummins represents a major leap forward in diesel engineering. For customers who depend on their trucks for towing, hauling, and heavy workloads, this engine could easily become the new gold standard. Ram's latest collaboration with Cummins proves that when it comes to durability and performance, innovation and tradition can still go hand in hand.